guys, Sue here from 1A Auto, and today we're going to show you some tools we have on our website. This is a brake spring tool. It's a must for everyone that ever does a brake job, like a rear drum or e-brake shoes. You need the spring release, and it also puts the spring back on. And the same with this one, it adds a leverage. You put it on the pin that sticks out, you put the spring in there, and it slides right down, it pops on. If you need this tool or any other tool for your car, click on the link below and head on over to 1aauto.com.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1aauto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.